Hi everyone, welcome back to Take 5 with me, where we take 5 minutes each week to grow your leadership from the inside out. We're continuing in this month's series on leadership energy, and today we're diving into something every exceptional leader faces: how to reclaim your edge. Because when you lose clarity, your team loses direction, and when that happens, every part of productivity turns into panic. So if you're feeling distracted, reactive, or a bit off your game, this episode is for you. A while ago, I found myself working under tight deadlines. Normally, I'm pretty organized and strategic and pretty calm under pressure. But this time, I really lost my focus. I stopped delegating things properly and I started micromanaging. I thought I was helping, but I was exhausted and frustrated, and the team started avoiding me. I completely lost sight of the big picture. Eventually, I called my coach. They helped me see that I created the very problem that I was trying to fix. I was managing details instead of direction. That conversation changed everything. It taught me that leadership energy isn't just about showing up, it's about showing up with clarity. That moment became the foundation of step 2 in the High-Performance Energy Playbook. Refocus your energy. Here's how it works. Every morning, before you open your inbox, ask yourself 3 simple questions. What matters most to me today? What can wait? And what would make me feel accomplished by 5 p.m. today? Then focus on that one thing that matters, that moves the needle for you, and let the rest go. When I started doing that, my confidence came back. The team re-engaged and clarity replaced chaos. I was getting stuff done and feeling better about myself, and everyone else was feeling great too. If you've been stuck in the weeds, feeling like you're juggling too much and losing your spark, take a breath and refocus. Download your free High-Performance Energy Playbook. Inside you'll find the same daily clarity tracker I use to keep my edge and lead with calm confidence. Type Mojo or hit the link below and grab it, and let's get your edge back.